my dog Jack, and I'm going to show you how to take care of a dog very nicely. Let's get started. My dog is named Jack, and he is very nice. Sometimes he...
Yeah, he throws up.
He throws up, and we have to take care of him very well so he doesn't provide throwing up or he doesn't provide this stink that always happens to him when we do something, but it's not happening very often right now.
Right.
And here's my mom. Show it at you. Show it at you. Here, my mom is doing these videos. She's recording these videos on my dog and me. Jackie, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Jackie, look at the camera. Jackie, look.
What else do you do to take care of your dog, Lucy?
You always have to give him fresh water and fresh food so he doesn't get sick whenever has not fresh things for him to keep him alive.
What's a good trick for kids when it comes to dogs?
When you do for dogs, you have to care for them to get any other pets that you want in nutrients for your dog. So he's and your dogs always have to get enough sleep to not be cranky in the morning.
Right. All right. Well, that's a great trick, Lucy. We'll see you next time on Lucy's Tricks for Kids.
That was really short.
That's all right. Oh, he gave you a kiss. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.